Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And welcome to week 2 of keto. Let's see how the week went, shall we? Hey guys, so we are attempting cookies again because last night it was a disaster. I didn't even want to show you. I need to figure out how to make this stick together. It's not sticking, they're falling apart. They look tasty, right? Let me tell you, disgusting. They taste so gross. I tried to make these cookies 3 times. No. I need to figure it out. If someone knows how to make these cookies, can someone tell me, please? It's lunchtime. I have it's turkey, avocado, tomato wrap with romaine lettuce and sweet potato fries. I'm only gonna eat a few of these. Sushi date with my brother and my niece. Hey guys, good morning. It is Thursday. I am at Starbucks drive-thru right now. I'm getting myself something for my brother as well. I'm gonna head to the shop for a few hours, and then I have to go and take my husband to LAX. So I just dropped off my husband at LAX. And I need to make a quick stop to pee because if not, I'm gonna be stuck forever on the freeway. And I'm gonna pee on myself. I decided that I'm gonna make a smoothie. I haven't had a smoothie in a long time. Strawberries, almonds. I'm gonna add some almond milk as well. That cauliflower pizza that I had, oh, I am regretting it, honey. I've been up since 3 o'clock this morning. It's happy Friday, by the way. Oh my gosh, it's terrible. Never again. Hey guys, it is 5 o'clock in the morning. I had Little Beauty with me. I know it's dark. We are headed to the hair salon. We have some early appointments this morning. So, off we go. We are here. I am taking Little Beauty on a short walk so she can potty. And then we're gonna get the day started. With no bread. I'm only gonna eat this. I gotta take off the bread. The croutons. I gotta get the croutons. Hey guys. So it's Sunday. Let me clear my throat a little bit. It is about 5:40 now. We got up early. We headed straight here. Look at this. Look at all this frizziness. We are done. We are gonna head home, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. At nighttime I have to go pick up Daddy. I have to go pick up your daddy. I have to go pick up my husband at 8 o'clock. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of my day. Yes, I went up 0.6 pounds, almost a pound. And I know it's because I ate more carbs than I did last week. I'm not sitting there like counting every single carb and every single calorie, but I do have an idea of how much I'm eating because I do look at it. And I know for sure, this week I had more carbs. And I didn't show any of the working out. I did 4 days of 1 hour hike. I did like, it was like 45 minutes like up, going up all the way. I believe it was like up to 14, and then I slowly started going down the last 15 minutes. And next week for sure I'm gonna be doing a lot more workouts, more than just, you know, going hikes on the treadmill. Am I, you know, disappointed that I didn't lose any weight? No, because I knew this was gonna happen, because I knew what I was eating. Like that cauliflower pizza that did me dirty, I wasn't supposed to eat that. You know, it did me dirty for a reason. I know that had, I'm pretty sure that had a lot of carbs in there too. Anyway, so thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell too, so you get notified every time I upload. And yes, here it is, week 2 of keto, and I'm still going. I'm happy. I'll see you guys later.